You're too expensive, like I'm not paying for that shit. How can you charge me that much? Ever had a client or potential customer who saw one of your quotes or your invoices and they was super disappointed and said like, wow, how can you charge me that much money? Are you charging by the second? That probably just takes you 5 minutes of time. Like, why are you charging me that much? Today I'm going to share my personal secret, what you have to say word for word to this person so they shut up and pay the invoice immediately. Make sure you follow me so you get updates on future sales tips and marketing strategy tips on LinkedIn right here. What you have to do if a client is not happy about the amount you're charging, is not appreciating the value that you bring to the table, you tell them a story. A long time ago, there was this beautiful, luxurious cruise ship. The problem was the engine wasn't working. They pressed the switch, nothing happens. And they brought in all the experts, but nobody was able to figure it out. So they heard there was this one person, the best of the best. So they called him up and said like, here, we need your help. He's walking around the ship and he knocks against the pipe and then he listens. He walks into the engine room, he takes out a screwdriver and he tightens one screw. And then the engine starts. A couple of weeks later and the invoice arrives. And it's like a really big amount of money. And then the cruise company is like, wow, like how can you charge us 100,000? Can you explain your invoice, please? So the expert is sending back a letter. Screwdriver, $1. Knowing which screw to screw, $99,000. Just because something takes you 5 minutes doesn't mean it's worth 5 minutes times any imaginable hourly rate. It took you 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 years to get that knowledge, to get something done in 5 minutes, or to even know that you have to do this one change without messing up anything else. If you were working there and you were spending 3 weeks to fix this bloody ship, the ship couldn't go off, the company is losing money every week while the ship is not taking off. You should charge higher if you can fix this in 5 minutes time. It's much more value. You want to charge in terms of value, what you're bringing to the client. Charging by the hour is the worst thing you can ever do. If you do it at the moment, completely forget about it and switch to a different model. Communicate the value that you are solving when you're working with a client. Let me know below, how do you react when some client is questioning an invoice or quote? How do you explain it to them? Let me know in the comments below. And make sure that you follow me for more awesome marketing and sales strategy tips here on LinkedIn and on YouTube.